Well, he didn't eat his candy cane, but he ate.
Cookies.
He ate one
What
bite
did he
of
say?
his
Oh, he
cookie.
didn't eat his candy.
He just ate one bite. I think he was in a
He
hurry.
was busy, probably.
Look how many presents he left. You see how he picked it? He's an actor. He is an actor. Look,
Can I open one?
you can open the ones that are for you. Santa left you so many presents. Look how many.
Kyla, are you up?
That one has your name on it. It does have your name. Here, let me move this over. Melanie, what about the GUITARs?
Mom, can I open my present?
Have you seen those?
Can I
No,
open
I'm just
my
saying.
present?
Yes, you may. Yes, you can open it. Go
Dad,
ahead.
you can open your present.
Zion, is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I
What is it, Zion?